So we're trying to find the factor that allows us to convert the kilometers per hour number to a meters per second. So where we should start is basically we're going to break this up into two different parts. First of all, we need to convert a kilometer into a meter, and we know that we need to, one, increase the number, so we're looking to multiply. We know that we're going to have more meters than kilometers when we convert, so we know we need to multiply. And we know the factor difference for that is 1,000 because there are 1,000 meters per kilometer. But now we've got the hard part where we have to go from per hour to a per second. So we're going to start with hour and then we're going to convert to a second. So to do that first, we know that we have to first go from hours to minutes and then to seconds, but we can put that all into a single factor where to go from per hour to minutes, we need to multiply by 60, and then to go from minutes to seconds, we need to multiply by another 60. So that actually gives us the number 3,600, and we're expecting more seconds than hours, so we multiply by 3,600. Now the hard part is trying to determine what the conversion is from per hour to per second. So basically what we are trying to find is we're going from what we have found up here. We are moving to how to find the factor difference between per hour to per second. So you notice all we've done here is that we've flipped the hour into a fraction. We've found what we call the reciprocal. So before we had an hour, but now we've got a 1 divided by hour. So we're looking for per hour to per second. So what we're going to do is find the reciprocal of the 3,600 factor as well. So all we're going to do is flip the 3,600 and we get this fraction here. But that's the exact same as saying divide by 3,600. So now I can put that factor here to convert from per hour to per second. We need to divide by 3,600. Now, so what we need to do is we need to put both the times 1,000 factor and the divide by 3,600 factor into the one factor to achieve this goal of kilometers per hour to meters per second. So what we do with that is we just multiply them together. So to answer our first question of what is the factor to go from kilometers per hour to meters per second, it is actually just the multiplying of these two factors that we found piecewise. Now to simplify that down, we achieve 1 over 3.6, or in other words, it is divide by 3.6. Now, to actually go the other way, all we need to do is instead of divide, all we need to do is times by whatever factor we found. So it is times by 3.6 to go from meters per second to kilometers per hour. Cool, that's it for today. Thanks for watching.